mi salon fambulem una do this Alpha Saidu Bangura. They bring to una another edition of Kapusen's No Kapu Word today, Monday, August 21, 2017. In this edition, I go once more prove to una say President Ernest Koroma not get the ability for efficiently run we country salon, and then I go continue for present to una the records and past performances of people within our political arena. Today, I go look at Mohamed Kamarimba Mansare in records and the records of Almami Petito Koroma. At the end of it all, I will make recommendations about them people who I don't present the records and then past performances to una the people of Sierra Leone. Fellow Sierra Leoneans, for run the country where we all lack salon, na serious business. President Ernest Bai Koroma don't always tell we that. But him not dey put seriousness wey come for run the country. Today make 1 week wey beberebe people them, we brother and we sister them, lay down for sleep. They not wake again. Then just find out say ebi rain come, it cause waiting and it call flooding Agbara. And that Agbara they carry them go boom, pass we go see them now next one. Based on the number of people where they don't fend, where they don't already beg, 476 people don't die first. The number they increase every day. Again, when people will survive, go report na the registration center them of people where they not see, they don't get almost 700 people where still they inside the poto. 30 day government not get the capacity for go dig them come on at the poto then they. Let God sorry for all them people where die na this Agbara, this ABAB water. That particular situation there, some people they call them natural disaster, but me refuse for call am so. Instead, I go call them a man-made disaster, because now a disaster where if the government be serious and it been care about people in life, therefore be avoid them. We were born a man of freedom. We know very well say water side, not a place for billows. But the ministry were responsible for housing and lands business. Then they give permits to people for build all about. Then just they build Oswarawere all over the place. They not care about we existing laws. Now that lawlessness they now make boku people and die by this Agbara. If you get a government we're not able for enforce in your laws them, that means na useless government than they. Na government will not get no use. And if you get government will not get no use, then you know how to maintain or keep that kind government there. So do ya at the beg, una the people of Sierra Leone, una where they suffer through the reckless and irresponsible way where the APC they run the country. Let una not vote for them no more. Because where the trouble come, where the own carelessness come, na una the ordinary people the poor people na una they suffer. I always don't tell una say leadership na the way we for treat with seriousness. We for carefully pick we leaders them. Because the leader them now then they make decisions where they affect we lives. Right now, Salon gets 7 million people. And if you go get leader them, where they make irresponsible decisions, Then we all go die jifa. We don't see them 1 week now. Baby people lost their life for nothing. Even when the people don't die, the APC then take their naked dead body, then pack them now mortuary like mountain. Then bubble them now APC, then take pictures of them dead body, then send her all over the world. But the APC, they not get respect for we saloon people that hold their life. Even when they make people and die, then disgrace them body back. Bad nothing at the world will pass that. But when the election then come in March of 2018, let us make sure say we don't vote for the APC again because are bad people in that day. We also see this weekend where APC officials them, Alhaji Sheka Kamara, where beaucoup people they call Shekito, Nuruddin Bashara, and Alhaji Mohammed Alimba, where na be the Minister of State, na the Vice President in office, they make bargain the ticket where they forgive poor people them for go Mecca for free. Shekito, Nuruddin, and Mohammed Ba, they sell them to people them for $2,500. Then take all that money they put in their pocket. And not to the first and this, where then they bring hamburging pan the arch business. But President Ernest Koroma no care about that. Simply because he no get respect for Muslim brothers and sisters there. Some people then pay $5,000 for go Mecca. They still not care, then go 30 days. They don't take the money. If you get a government where they seize undue advantage from people them, you get a government where they kill people and jifa by recklessness, by failing to implement the existing laws, then una all go agree with me, say that government they're not good and it is time to change them. It is time for me to go. Shekito, Nuruddin, Mohammed Ba, they make bargain, then go to bank, then pull boku money, then give themselves per diem. And even Yeri say Mohammed Ba in the America. The woman will get and they try for confirm am, and una saloon people out there America una ki help me for confirm am. I say Mohammed Ba, the Minister of State and the Vice President office, in don't run away, don't come America. They say, you know, even go the Hajj this year, now somebody else using him. I'm not able to confirm that one day too. But if una way de America, saloon people them, if una see Mohammed Ba, do ya una call me, una tell me who state today. Una help me for that. But I get them from reliable sources. Them people are the bad people them. They don't take we Shekito in name they call by corrupt practices. It not be even supposed for go the Hajj this year because then they investigate already. And President Ernest Koroma know all that here, but he just not care. We want a Muslims them. They can't tell them the hard way because the government no respect is Muslims. The government, the APC, no respect Islam. Even the one that within an APC, where then they call themselves Muslims, they know they behave like Muslims. We they say every day. And once again, I want to use this opportunity for ask Alhaji Minkailu Mansare, let it come out, let her explain about this Hajj business. He and Vice President Victor Fo. And Vice President Victor Fo, be careful what you do, because yai boku pa you. Fellow Sierra-Leoneans, I will now present to una the records of Mohammed Kamarimba Mansare and Almami Petito Koroma. As I always tell una, it's very important. Let una know who that them una get for vote for now these elections that will come on the 7th of March 2018. It don't tell una the vote out of sentiment. But now, I want to look them people at the records. Let determine if they're the most suitable people them for give political office. That I make any time where I don't present the records, I they make recommendations. And they get beaucoup information them where they cross-check and verify. But not to all I can put out. And they make sure say I put out the one that was sufficient for make una able make determination as to whether them people are suitable or they're not suitable. Mohamed Kamarimba Ibinde APC. Now the Washington metropolitan area in America, na been the youth leader. Some people can call her young generation leader. But the APC, they like the word youth. And in the APC, now they see 50-year-old man, they call her youth. Because they don't know what they do, they don't know what they pan. Mohamed Kamarimba Mansare, that's the way he register na North America APC. The name we put there na Mohamed Kamara. He did na APC North America te around 2002 election, if I not lie. Now he come out APC, he go join one party them they call Grand Alliance. Again, they go make a youth leader there. After some time, now he come back na the APC na North America. He can re-register back as Mohamed Kamara. So, he did it for some time. Now he begin to tell people and say, President Ernest Koroma don't call him for let him go succeed President Ernest Koroma since na last time in the do so. Later on, people and get for find out say, na lie Mohamed Kamarimba they lie President Ernest Koroma no one day ask him for go succeed in President Ernest Koroma. Fellow Sierra-Leoneans, we don't need a president who they lie again. We don't get beaucoup. Mohamed Kamarimba we go salon, he go na the APC the headquarters. Na he go tell Ousmane Hassané, the National Secretary General, say in a registered member. Na he check the list we come on North America. They notice say the name where he say he gets Mohamed Kamara, not to Indede. Now he change, he say na he name Mohamed Kamarimba Mansare. But again, where Ousmane Hassané check the list, Mohamed Kamarimba Mansare no did, which clearly shows that he gets a serious identity problem. And beaucoup people always sabi Mohamed Kamarimba Mansare will be the grow up na Kono. They say where be the go school na Kono, the name where begin at school na Mohamed Fofana. Well, if you get a presidential candidate who get double identities, that one day is scary because that is not what we need. Person na name first, then they take identifier. But if any side where Mohamed Kamarimba go, and they get different name, that makes him a suspect. And that's not what you need now, not the next president. In aid. We want people that will get clean identity, people that will go easily identify. Mortal man in name according to the Quran, since Mohamed Kamarimba say in a Muslim, now the first way where the Almighty Allah say them for identifier. But if you name Mohamed Kamara today, tomorrow you name Mohamed Fofana, then the next day you name Mohamed Kamarimba Mansare, then you don't broke God in law. It's difficult for identify you. And a big problem, a big credibility problem, Nandi. A big moral issue that. Mohamed Kamarimba also been doing one wonderful thing. One time where he come to America, he go salon. He born picking with one with salon sister, when them Adam say, well, some people can call her Adama. He de Virginia na America. Adam say, Gi Mohamed Kamarimba, the picking of the old two born for Kergo Gi in the Adam say, Imama, na Freetown. So this picking, where Isidonia Mohamed at the plane, there was a time where, you know, small picking, be uneasy